Hello everyone, welcome back to another Void Sloth video. Today we're going to be doing episode 6 of the Python for Beginners series. So, in this episode we're going to learn how to read from a text file. So I've prepared a text file here. All you have to do is just click this button and emit text.txt in order to create this exact file. And then once that's made, you'll write hello world into it. So pretty simple. Now, what we're going to do today is we're going to read from this text file. We're going to get the information out of it. So let's actually do two things. We'll do hello world. I should move this comma here, and we'll do the goodbye world from the other episode. There we go. Now we have two lines, and now we want to access them. So what we're gonna do, so we'll go back to here, and we'll write a def main, just like this. Def main. Remember that's how we create our main function. And then we'll do a with open. So what this is going to do is it's going to open the file up. So then we have to give the name of the file. So it's text.txt. And we want to read from it. Now we can, if you go into your tooltips here, you can see we have a read, which reads it. We have a write, which writes it. And an x, which I believe adds to it, but I'm not certain. Oh, no, a adds to it, and then the x, I'm not entirely certain what that does. But I know the a, basically you can add to the end of the file. The w, which will completely delete everything in the file and rewrite it, and the R, which we're going to be using today, which allows you to read from it. So we'll put an R down, and then we'll do these, and now we're opening it up. Now this is actually wrong because we have to give it in, so we're going to call it F for file. So we're going to open the file up, and we're going to call it F. So we're going to do F dot read lines, and we'll say lines equals F dot read lines, just like that. Then we will finally print out lines, which should give us all the info from it. Now I'll show you guys how we can go one step further in just a second here. So we'll do the if name equals main, and then once we've done this, we'll do the very simple thing we always do, where we just call the main function. Just like that, that should print out hello world and then goodbye world in a list. Look at that. There's our list. Hello world. Now you guys this dash n. I'll explain that in just a sec. So we have hello world and goodbye world. Now this dash n, what that means is that there's an enter at the back here. This right here has an enter on it. See, when I write enter, there's a dash n that adds. So we're not going to worry too much about the dash n for now. But in the future, I will see if I can find. I know there's a method to get rid of it, but I'll have to remember what it is. Maybe it's dot strip, but I'm not certain. But okay, so what we'll do is we're going to figure out how we can access each value in line. So just like in lists, we can do that. And this will now only print out hello world and then the dash n. Oh no, this prints out good. Sorry, I'm forgetting everything. This is a goodbye world because it's the first index, because it indexes like this. 0. Python indexes in a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and yada yada, on and on and on. And it'll just continue with this method. Now, if we do it like this, we can print out 4, which should give us just a 4. And you can see we got a 4. So that's basically pretty simple. So we're just reading a text file. Now, what if we wanted to write to a text file? So then we would use the W here, W, and then we do F dot write. Now we could use write lines, but we're just going to do a write for now. And we should be able to just add like hello world. And now what this will do is it'll clear everything in this file and add hello world to it. And just look at that. So that's how we can write to the file. So we can use that method for basically, if we wanted to, access something really easily between multiple scripts without using modules. That's one way to do it. And then finally, we can look at the A, which there should not be an append argument or something of that variety. Yep, it's just write again, I guess. Then we now can add by world. Theoretically, when we run this here, we should see this now have hello world and goodbye world. Now, if we wanted this to be a space, we would add this /n there, and then you'll see that there's another goodbye world one line down. So just like that, that's how we can read and write files along with append to them. So thank you guys for watching. I know I haven't posted about a week. I'm going to try and make sure on the weekends I at least get one video out. And then maybe I'll check out the one I just posted about my game that I'm working on called Slime Time. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. And as always, see you next time.